the conclusion part will be the numbers other than 1, because 1 had only 1 as a factor. It doesn't have any other factor. The number other than 1. So 1 is an exception in this case. The numbers other than 1 whose only factors are 1 and the number itself are called as the prime numbers. Okay, like 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Concluding after that, we can extend it further to 13, 17, 19 onwards. Similarly, the numbers which are not prime will be called as composite number. So, composite numbers, we can say the numbers having more than 2 factors, not even 2. The numbers which will have more than 2 factors are called as composite number. For example, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10 and so on. There will be the numbers which have more than 2 factors. Now, we always remember 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. This is a very important point because it has only one factor and that is 1. Okay. For prime number, we need to have 2 factors. Okay. 1 has only one factor, and for composite number, the number of factors should be more than 2. So, 1 is having only one factor and that is 1, and therefore we say 1 is neither a prime nor a composite number. Proceeding further, we can say how will you know which numbers are prime and composite? So, for that, you know, we have a complete sheet of numbers from 1 to 100. So, here in this particular case, we have to find out which are composite and which are prime number. Let's play a game for this. Okay. So, what we have to do? We have to cross out 1 because it's not a prime number. We will cross the prime numbers, the numbers which are not cross or the not prime or the composite number, and we will encircle the prime number and we will cross out all the multiples of that number. Okay. For example, we'll encircle 2 and we'll cross out all the multiples of 2. Okay. Then we will encircle the next uncrossed number that we'll find as 3. I'll show you here how we will do that particular. So, we'll encircle the prime number and we'll cross out all the multiples of that number. Proceeding further, let's see what I told right now. Let's do it. We will cross 1 because 1 is neither prime nor composite. So, we'll not take it into consideration. Moving forward to 2, it is a prime number and here we will cross out all the other multiples of 2. So, multiples of 2 will include 2, then 6, then 8, then 10, 12 and complete row. So, let me cancel this whole. You can cross it. Okay. So, all the even numbers are cancelled. Similarly, here we will cancel all the numbers. Similarly, again 16, 26, 36 because they all will be the multiples of 2. You'll try it on your own further. Okay. Then you will encircle the next prime number. What is the next prime number? Let's see, the number 3. Yes. So, we will encircle 3. Let's encircle 3. We will cross all the multiples of 3. So, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. 6 is already cancelled because it was a multiple of 2 also. Then 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, then 24, then 27, then 30, then 33, and here we'll cross all the multiples of 3. Then final last multiple of 3 will be 99. You will try others on your own. Similarly, we'll find out next number is 5. Then we will cross all the multiples of 5. So, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. In this way, all the multiples of 5 will also be cancelled. Then the next number will be in the series is 7. So, we will encircle 7 and we will cross out all the multiples of 7. So, all the multiples of 7 will include 7, 14, 21, 28, 35 and so on. So, you will cross all of them. Then proceeding, we have 11. We will encircle 11, we will cross all the multiples of 11, right? Then we will encircle 13, we will cross out all the multiples of 13. Next number in the series is 17. Encircle 17, cross out all the multiples of 17. We will find out 23. Yes. Then 29. After that, we have 31. After that, we have 37. Will 39 be there or would have been crossed? We know it is a multiple of 3. So when we were crossing all the multiples of 3, we will cross 39 also. Okay, because I skipped, I left it for you to do. So in this way, we will encircle all the prime numbers here and we will cross out all the multiples of those numbers. So finally, we will have some numbers which are encircled, and the encircled numbers from this list will be 41, it will be 43, it will be 47, 49 will be cancelled as it was a multiple of 7. Then we have 51, it came in the table of 17 already. Then we in 3 also it came. 53, it doesn't came in any table. 57 doesn't came. Sure, 57 doesn't came or it came. Yes, it is a multiple of 3. It will come in the table of 3, right? We can find out all the multiples of 3 by skipping to the number 3. Then every third number of it will be a multiple of 3. Every third number will be a multiple of 3, which we have not done previously. So you can cancel all the multiples and you'll find all the encircled numbers here will give you a list of prime numbers. Okay, so you can see there was a scientist named Eratosthenes, and on his name it was called as the sieve of Eratosthenes. See, it was like a sieve, जिसको हम छलनी कहते हैं, right? So the sieve, this method in which where we have done when we cross them, and it is called as the sieve of Eratosthenes. So when you'll cross and circle, you'll find it in a manner of sieve. That is why this complete method is called as sieve of Eratosthenes.